Welcome. This is a question on leases, and I want that we do together and see how we are going to find the solution. Then illustration reads, a lessor enters into a 3-year leasing agreement commencing on 1st January 2013. Under the terms of the lease, the lessee commits to pay shillings 80,000 per annum, commencing on 31st December 2013. A residual guarantee clause requires the lessee to pay shillings 40,000 or shillings 40,000 less the asset residual value if lower at the end of the lease term if the lessor is unable to sell the asset for more than shillings 40,000. The lessor expects to sell the asset based on current expectations for shillings 50,000 at the end of the lease. The interest rate implicit in the lease is 9.2. The present value of the lease payment receivable by the lessor discounted at this rate is shillings 232,502. Required, show the net investment in the lease from 1st January 2013 to 31st December 2015 and explain what happens to the residual value guarantee on 31st December 2015. Sorry. Then a lessor enter into how many? It is 3 years agreement. It's commencing on 13 January. Then payment is 80,000 per annum. So paid in arrears, because it is paid in December. Residual guarantee 40,000. Then the lessor will sell at 50,000. Then implicit lease rate is 9.2. Then discounted payments is 232. All right. And we are required to show what? The net investment in lease from January to 2015. So 2013. So solution will be the net investment is our solution. The net investment in 2013 to 2014, so it will be this. Present value of lease payments receivable by the lessor is, the discounted one is 232. Then the present value of guaranteed residual value, the lessor was guaranteed 40,000. But selling on 50, there is a guaranteed of 10,000. So you times the implicit. Then, so the total present value is 240. Then the net investment in the lease receivable as follows. So you put the year, and that is the year, this is the year. Then balance brought forward 240,181 for the first year. Then you add interest, then you less what is paid at the end of the year. So balance carried down in 2013 is 182. The opening balance in 2014. Then for the interest of this, then you pay 80. Then you get this one. This one, the closing balance on 2014 will be the opening balance in 2015. Then for the interest, then you pay. So the end balance here is 50, which is the residual, but was guaranteed of 40. So then that's why you see it's giving us 50, because you had already included here. So that is how to work on it. Then on your explanation, on 31st December 2015, the remaining 50 will be realized by selling the asset for shillings 50,000 or above, or selling it for less than shillings 50 and claiming up to shillings 40. Yeah, 40,000 from the lessee under the residual value. So that's a worked example. If there is anything you didn't understand, please comment and I will respond to it as fast as possible. Thank you.